India's 70th Republic Day parade will have many firsts. Now, display of Army's newly acquired artillery guns, marched by an all-women paramilitary contingent and also lady officers leading all-male contingents. The Vyon Siddhan Sibal spoke exclusively to Major General Rajpal Punya, the second in command of the Republic Day parade. Listen in.
Well, a lot of things will be in the focus in this year's Republic Day parade. The chief guest, of course, will be the South African president. With me is Major General Rajpal Punya, who is the second in command when it comes to the entire Republic Day parade. Sir, this time around, what will be the focus?
Well, this time, for the first time, the Indian National Army soldiers will be participating in the parade. Besides this, we have all-women contingent, wherein all the participants in that contingent will be women. And it is Assam Rifle contingent which will be participating. We have 4 contingent commanders who are lady officers, which will also be happening for the first time because individually lady officers have commanded contingents, but in such large numbers it will be happening for the first time. We have Make in India equipment K9 Vajra is going to participate. It's going to be a pride for the nation. And also biofuel, that is Jatropa fuel being manufactured or made in India. An aircraft would be flying with that fuel for the first time.
So a lot of things will be in the focus, but this time women power, it seems to be on the display at the Republic Day parade. What do you have to say on that?
Yes, I agree with you, and there is no doubts that women power is very powerful, and this time we have large numbers of women participating, including in the motorcycle display also. There is a lady officer who is commanding the motorcycle display. We have the contingent commanders. We have the all-women contingent. So I agree with you. Women power this time would be the maximum what has happened in previous years.
So you just said that Jatrofa is being used as a biofuel. Can you give us more details about the entire fuel which is being used?
It's a plant which is planted, and I think we have been trying for a number of years to extract oil out of that plant. We even thought of it replacing maybe petrol in times to come. But as of now, this Jatropa plant oil is being used by the aircraft AN-32 to fly. So you can well imagine if we can have aircraft flying on biofuel, definitely the self-dependency of the country can be looked into these plants of Jatropa.
So my last question, you just mentioned that INA soldiers will be taking part this time around. What's the rationale behind this? Can you give us the names, the details of the soldiers who are participating?
I can share the names with you. There are 4 soldiers who are participating in this year's parade from Indian National Army. Like firstly, we have Sri Lalti Ram, who is 98 years old. He's from Panchkula. He's going to participate in the parade this year. We have Sri Hira Singh, who is 97 years of age from Narnaul, Haryana, who is going to participate. Sri Bhagmal, 100 years of age from Manesar. And lastly, we have Sri Paramanand Yadav, 95 from Chandigarh, who is participating in this year's parade. It's a matter of honor. It's a great honor for the country that we have the veterans of Indian National Army participating in the parade.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for giving us the details. And of course, this time around, the focus area, whether it's INA, whether it's women power, a lot of things will be on display in this year's Republic Day parade. With video journalist Chandrasekhar Siddhan Sibal for Vyon World is One in New Delhi.